Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix error authenticating with Venmo. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar simply type in downdetector.com and then check to see if the Venmo server is working properly or not. Sometimes if the server is down, that might be causing the issue that you are facing. And now all you gotta do is just patiently wait it out and then try again. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is just head over to your app store and then on the search bar simply type in Venmo and then tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issue that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But for some reason, if you are still having the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. And once you tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, scroll down until you find the Venmo app and then tap on it. And once you do that, tap on the option that says upload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that's done, all you gotta do is try again and that will fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.